What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today we're going to be installing running boards or side skirts, whatever you guys want to call it, on my E70 X5. Let me show you guys what the stock ones look like. As you guys can see, there's something that comes out. It's like plastic, but it doesn't have like the iconic silver running boards like most E70 X5s do. So I'm going to swap that out today and I'll show you guys how to do it. So yeah, let's get into it. So once again, these are what the stock ones look like. What's good, guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with the same video actually. So yesterday, the head unit install, which you guys will see before this video, it took us longer than expected, but today this is the second part of installing the side skirts. We got the first side done off camera just because it's the same on the other side and we wanted to perfect it. But this is what the side skirt looks like on this side, and then let me show you guys the other side just so you can see how much more aggressive it is. Look, on this side it just looks mad pussy, like what the fuck is that? And then you come back to this side, that shit looks way crazier. So yeah, once you put the clips back on the bottom of this side, I'll show you guys how to install it. Yeah, so basically we're going to show you guys how to take off the factory one. It's clipped on at the bottom. I think it's like 8 or 10 clips at the bottom, and then it's clipped in on the top, so you're gonna have to open the doors to get it. And this plastic piece is basically just a cover. There's like a plastic molding underneath the plastic piece as well, to support it, I guess, because people like step on it when they get in and out of the car. And then once you guys do that, you have to remove like the 2 bottom clips on the wheel liners on each side. And once you guys do that, you pretty much just pull it out and then unbolt the plastic piece at the bottom.
This one had way less clips.
Yeah, this was the side that was hit, bro. You put this shit back on the fast way, the Hialeah way.
The my way for the clips.
How many is that, like 8?
This one only had 4.
Okay, so normally it's 8 if your car isn't from Copart, but this car's from Copart, so this side has 4. There's gonna be, I think, 2 bolts on the back, right?
2 bolts in the back,
And then 1 bolt in the front.
and 1 bolt in the front that's not in the front of this side. So the other side was the mint side.
Yeah.
One clip back here.
Yeah, that's the one clip he's getting at the back is the fender liner clip. So for this.
And on the front as well.
People going crazy, bro. You're probably gonna hear that in the video. They're having a good Monday night.
For real? Bro, it is actually Monday night.
Yeah, no, they're going crazy for Monday.
So that's it. And now we're gonna open the doors and just rip it off. There you go. The
Open it.
Let me go on that side first.
It says turn signals we installed in the last video.
The back seats. It's not open.
Need that comfort access. Alright, let me try and get a better angle for you guys. Look at that dust, oh my god.
Yeah, see that?
That's 15-year-old dust from fucking Germany right there, guys.
And then this one here is clipped on, so you can unclip it.
Yep. So it's clipped onto the fender
Liner, yeah. And then you pull this one down. Shit's
and
flying everywhere.
It slides right out. Easy as install. The only hard part about it is once you guys put the new plastic piece, it's hard lining up the new side skirts, but you guys could do it. If we could do it, you guys could do it. And there you go. The old one is out.
One's out. All the tabs are still there.
Yep.
So you just have to pull it.
So what we're gonna have to do is transfer off these white clips on the old one onto the new side skirt.
Which we didn't do
We
with the
forgot
other
to do
one.
on the other side, but
We didn't know.
fuck it. If it holds up, it's all good. If it's wobbly, then we'll get to it in the future. Give you guys the standing test. As you guys can see, even though this side doesn't have clips, it doesn't really go anywhere. Nah, that shit's in there, bro. And I don't plan on making it a Jeep and taking the doors off, so it's not going nowhere. Right, there we go.
Yeah, we go. And there's nine of these.
So there's
13.
13 millimeter bolts for you guys to take out. And once you guys take it out, it literally just falls right off. So I'm not gonna record Josh taking out every bolt, but you guys get the idea. As you guys can see, he's getting the last bolt out, and it's already starting to drop out. And boom, just like that. Throw that shit in the fucking trash.
Toss some meat gas. Nice.
So that's a new plastic piece for it. As you guys can see, it's more beefy. Since you guys are gonna have the running boards, you need something to like support it, I guess. So these come out a little bit more. But the fitment on them is really good. And the bolts right up. If you guys want the link for it, it'll be in my description. It'll be on my Shopify, so you guys can go get it there.
Figured that out. I fucked up.
Do you need me to help hold it? Or
I had no light. I couldn't see.
Oh, fuck, my bad.
I was just.
You got light now?
Yeah, I got light now.
But
So now it's heat. But
I'm gonna have to swap the battery in my GoPro. This shit's 11%.
I got like 5 batteries, bro. Some dude was selling his.
Yeah.
This used ones. So I got like 5 batteries, a charger, and a GoPro. Another GoPro. So I got 2.
Well, that's fire. So you can do like 2 different POVs if you're like,
yeah,
like installing shit.
I got the 4. Like at the time, like the 4 was the best one. It wasn't the newest one, but it was like the best one for like.
Dude, all the GoPros are pretty much the same shit. The newer ones just have better quality. That's all it is. And like the newer ones, they stabilize. Like,
yeah, the stabilization is what like we didn't want at the time, because when you're like, it was something that the 4 made you look faster on a motorcycle.
really?
That's why I got it. And it looked better at night than the 5. For some reasons they were saying so.
Yeah, this is pretty shit at night. I'm not gonna lie. That's why they put a big ass light on it.
Yeah, dude, I got mine at night, bro. It's literally looks crispy as fuck. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all of them on the top. Then you have some on the bottom. Let's see.
So now we're getting ready to install the last part basically, which is the running board itself.
I want to come on this side too.
Yeah, so the way that we did it, I know I saw a different video on YouTube and the guy lined it up in the back, but for whatever reason it's easier for when we do it to line it up in the front. So I'm gonna have to help align this. And you guys will know once you get it lined up. Once you get it lined up, it'll snap like right into place. As you guys can see, he got it and it's snapping right into place. Pretty straightforward, simple install.
That side went in pretty easy.
Yeah, that side went in perfectly. The other side, it was the first time we did it, so obviously it's gonna take us a couple more tries, but this side went in smooth as hell. So let me finish up this bolting it back, not bolting it, but popping it back in, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. This is how you guys are gonna clip in the rear. So you're basically gonna tuck it under the wheel well or whatever, fender flare, because it kind of connects to the fender flare, so you're gonna have to pop it in there. As you guys can see, that's what he's doing right now.
Light brake, like the other one.
This shit looks like it doesn't want to go in though. Yo, they're cheering for you, bro. Good shit.
Make sure this door is open first.
Oh, well, yeah, make sure the door's open first or it kind of pushes back out the fucking everything we just did. Unfortunate. This side's being fucking really nice to us though. Excuse all the car parts I got in here. My bad.
The clips on this side are being a little bit of a bitch.
And yeah, once you guys get it on the back, it pretty much just lines up the whole car. Sick. Shit came out so good. Look at that, guys. Now it's just back to the bolts and clips at the bottom, and you guys are all set. You got running boards on your X5. So this is basically your finished product. What's it called? When I'm on my way home, I'll pull up at a gas station and get some better shots for you guys to show you what what it looks like. But the before and after on this is honestly crazy.